and today I want to show you fast programming in Dealer Admin. Let's get started. Fast programming helps you quickly and easily get a system set up and communicating with Dealer Admin and your central station. Let's take a look. Once you log into Dealer Admin, scroll down and select a system. In the menu on the right, select Fast Programming. At the top, you can see some quick information about this system, including the system name, account number, and the software version. Below that, you'll see some programming selections that will help this system get up and running quickly. This includes the receiver IP, the weather zip code, the system type, including area, all perimeter, or home sleep away, the hours from GMT, and the wireless siren serial number. Scroll down to view zone information. Here you can quickly and easily add a zone. For example, if you need to add a patio door zone, Zone 4 is already pre-configured with the zone name patio door. Simply press the check mark and enter in the wireless serial number. And that's it. You've programmed Zone 4 as an exit zone type in the perimeter area with the name patio door. You can see there are several pre-configured zone name and zone types available for both residential and commercial applications. Once you're finished, scroll back up and select Send to System. Dealer Admin will quickly send this information down to the panel and you will be ready for installation. Fast programming helps you save time by getting the panel up and running faster than ever before. All from the convenience of Dealer Admin, you can fully program and manage this system, including all of the zones. And that's fast programming in Dealer Admin.